Carnes Validadas is a blockchain-based traceability platform designed for livestock value chains. Our digital identification, based on livestock tokenization, thanks to the creation of a cow token, unique, transferable, and non-fungible, allows different players of the value chain to transform information into value. We facilitate data transmission among the entire productive process of a single animal, from its genealogy to the final consumer, bringing transparency, clarity, and veracity to the entire livestock industry. Carnes Validadas allows livestock tokenization and asset activation, enables value chain traceability, allowing differentiation and decommoditization of the product, gives access to livestock insurance and credits based on the stored information of each token, potentiates brand attributes, enhancing and creating strong reputation and image, allows data management in order to digitalize the entire operation. How does it work? Users generate and gather data regarding the genealogy, breeding, and all other processing events that happen during the value chain. This data is then impacted on the Carnes Validadas blockchain and is protected from alterations and modifications. How is the platform used? Producers register, create their company and establishments. They upload animals with their data, ID identification, feeding, weight, production system, geolocation, among others. They upload events such as weight change, changes in productive system, and vaccines. Then they transfer this data to the next player. In addition, producers can view and manage their tokens from the interactive dashboard of the platform. By tokenizing the cattle, enabling their use as a registrable asset, Carnes Validadas not only allows the activities already mentioned such as traceability, branding, and benefits for producers, professionals, and employees, but also thanks to the information management, Carnes Validadas allows small, medium, and large producers to obtain credits and insurance backed by their tokens and the information they store. It allows to carry out and stamp health, animal welfare, and sustainability protocols, as well as information and coordination protocols with scales and livestock management systems. By doing this, our platform is promoting financial inclusion and democratization, allowing access to the financial market to people and establishments that did not have it before. We are also developing tools to facilitate access to both chain and actors and producers of the carbon, water, and biodiversity footprint of an establishment, animal, of a unit of product that they are going to consume. Together, we are creating more fair, transparent, and reliable supply chains because, as we like saying, information makes the difference.